Media Summit, representatives from various countries have come to Kashghar for a visit. Taking a walk along alleys and lanes, the media professionals have had a better understanding of the city's history, culture, and development.
Je suis journaliste togolais. C'est la première fois que je visite la région de Kashghar. Et puis c'est formidable parce qu'on a su développer la région.
And today, looking this whole thing kind of relived with a more modern style, but giving the same old vibe, for me it's incredible. And that's something that also shows that this area, the area of Kashghar and the ancient city, still holds that vital importance of connecting China today with the West as the same importance it had 2000 years ago as well. So that was incredible for me.
Ancient city is rich with so many things, with culture, with heritage. We are so happy today that we saw the ancient city. When we go in different area, different roads inside the ancient city, we saw so many things. We saw how much China care about heritage and about handicraft, and we saw with our eyes.
We saw that things are progressing ahead, especially when you look at the shops around and you see that different crafts, pottery, and how people are dedicated to the work and how the beautiful productions of all these things. I think it is a very telling story of people who are resilient, who are very actively producing a lot of good things that show what China is all about.
My first visit to Xinjiang was 25 years ago. I wanted to see for myself the Silk Road, and finally, after 25 years, I'm here in Kashghar. This is a place I've always wanted to come. I see a different Kashgar. I see a Kashghar that's about to take off to the world.
Kashghar is very beautiful town. I see something very wonderful, and I think that there is a great development in this town.
I want to share all my experience during my staying here in Kashghar. I want to share my experience to people in Arab world by Arabic tongue and Arabic language. In Xinjiang, we see the beautiful Xinjiang. We see how people live together in peace.